What's up, everybody? I'm back with another tool deals video, and today we have some good deals. Stay to the end because I have an amazing DeWALT DWS780 sale for you. Okay, so we're gonna try to breeze through it, but first I want to let you know I got merch. So the site is up, the site is ready. We got t-shirts, we got long sleeves, we have sweatshirts, hoodies, and hats. Just to show you some of the hats here. And I know, winter's almost over, so I got you covered with these trucker caps. So we got your summer caps, and I made them mesh in the back so your head can breathe, and this will cover the sun, and they come in different colors. So if you want some merch, follow the link in the description and take it straight to the site. Everything on the site has free shipping, so the price you see is the price you pay, of course, with the exception of taxes and all that. But shipping is free. There you go. Moving on. I mentioned this yesterday in the video when I was just talking about Flex's impact driver, their lower model one, and how people were defending it and how it produces 1,800 inch-pounds but still has no modes. But they want 129 for it. And they used to want 169 for it, and I was comparing it to this. But check this out. It was even cheaper. I just threw $99 off the top of my head, but it was actually $95 plus 11% mail-in rebate for $84.54. And you get this. This is a good impact driver, y'all. It's big as I don't know what. But it's a good impact driver. It's powerful. Comes with this 2.5 amp hour boost battery, charger, and this hard case. And this hard case is stackable like, you know, your Milwaukee pack out. Here you go, right there. So it comes with the top small case. And $84.54. You can't beat that with a broom, okay? You can't beat it with a broom. You might be able to beat that with a metal pole, but certainly not a broom. So let's move on to Home Depot. Home Depot has some interesting deals, actually. I haven't seen these anywhere. And first up, we have this ridgid jigsaw and angle grinder for $139. Lifetime service agreement. This even comes with a little dust port. I just noticed that. A lot of jigsaws don't come with that. And yeah, I've never used them, but the reviews look amazing. And yeah, $139. I don't really think I need to tell you that's a good deal. Most lower model angle grinders from other companies like DeWALT, Milwaukee, theirs are going to be $129 for their lower model one. And here it is, $130. Now you're getting this and a jigsaw. And this one's brushless. The other ones, DeWALT and that 129 Milwaukee, they are brushed. So there you go. I think this is a fantastic deal right there. Moving on. We have a ryobi deal here. I don't like this reciprocating saw. I don't like this reciprocating saw. But, you know, for $99, it is 4-amp-hour battery, and I mean the 4-amp-hour battery is what really makes it appealing. This flashlight is yuck, but then you also get an impact driver, and this is probably, I don't even know what the specs are on that impact driver. But again, this is for somebody just around the house that's going to use tools occasionally. 1,800 inch-pounds, man. Look, this is not bad for $99. The whole kit, all right. So again, when I talk about ryobi power tools, I mean this is for somebody. Look, they even say it. DIY out in the professional needs, you can stop it. But DIY, you need to prune a few branches outside. This is not going to probably do it really well, but it'll do it. But this impact driver should work really well. This is fine. It also have a little bit right there holder. I like that. Ooh, and this is the one that has a magnetic screw holder. I like that one. I don't know why the newer brushless ones don't have that. I guess to be compact. I don't know. But there are no modes, and this is going to be on and off, and I guess that's what this is there for. This would normally be where you do your modes, but they have a little magnetic holder there. Man, it's good for $99. I like it. There you go, $99. This is a very interesting thing from Milwaukee. It's a lot of stuff. 10 tools for $649. Now, let's just say, but this is Milwaukee's lowest of the low, bottom of the line tools, though. Every single last thing over here is the cheapest thing that they have. All brush tools, but guess what? It's still going to be good. Like, this is a solid set for a homeowner that's serious about their DIY stuff, and this is going to last pretty much forever. 15 years easy. All this stuff should still be working just fine. Definitely 10 years. Because it's going to be for homeowners with moderate use. That impact wrench back there, I mean, it produces like 450 foot-pounds. So, no, you're not working on any Bentleys with that. You probably, I mean, let's see. I mean, you could work on some moderate-sized trucks, some like Tacomas and stuff maybe. But, I mean, it's most people cars. It's going to work. You know, you have a decent drill here. You have that right angle drill. You have, that right angle drill doesn't have 2 speeds, though. It doesn't have a 2-speed transmission. It's okay. This angle grinder, most of the stuff, you call all this stuff $79 because this hacksaw, and this hacksaw is good though. I will tell you that this hacksaw is good. It's better than the M12 fuel version. I have this and the M12 fuel. I like this one better, especially for pruning branches and stuff outside. This works way better than that little compact M12. No, the stroke is too short on the compact M12. This one has a much longer stroke. But yeah, all this stuff was $79. I think this right angle drill was $79 2 years ago during the holiday. This angle grinder this past holiday was $79. This hacksaw was $79. We call this oscillating tool $79. If you just want to call everything $79, that makes this whole kit $700 something. We're actually almost like just shy of $800. And you know you're gonna walk away with spending way more than $649. So this is quite actually an interesting kit. You get a 3 amp hour battery and a 1.5 amp hour battery. I'm not happy about the batteries, but yeah. So interesting little kit right there for $649. Now coming back to Ryobi, this is a whole brushless kit. If you thought that thing for $159 yesterday, let's pull it up. All right, so look, check this. If you felt like this was a good deal, then you should definitely feel like this is a good deal for $199. This is just $40 extra, and you getting some tools that most people gonna use. All this brushless stuff, you're getting a decent drill, you're getting a decent impact driver, you're getting an oscillating tool, and you're getting this reciprocating saw. This one-handed one. They're all brushless. $199. I mean, I'm not gonna go deep into the specs because they're in my opinion mid-grade. You know, 1,700 inch-pounds on the impact driver. All this will still get everything you need to do done around the house. So $199 there. That's a good deal for that. And just to illustrate, I brought this reciprocating saw up. It's $119 by itself on the bottom. I would never pay $119 for this thing alone. But $199 for all of that, yeah, that's not bad. Now, the stroke on this thing is short. It's just 0.625 or 5/8 of an inch, which is equivalent to the Milwaukee M12 one-handed reciprocating saw, their hacksaw rather. And if you read the description on this, Ryobi at Bo's house, only 13 inches. Well, the Milwaukee's 11 inches, right? So, you know, again, it's Ryobi, so can't fault them too much. But here we go, right? This is the M18, so not comparable. Moving on. Well, here it is. This is what I brought up. Yeah, this is only 11 inches and obviously smaller, but it has the same stroke as the Ryobi. But that's not on sale, so we're passing that by. Now, again, like this other deal here, this one was $159. It looks like you're getting so much, mainly because it is rotary and all these little bits, and then they laid the glue sticks out there. But truly, this jigsaw is worth more than all that. And for $129, you get all 3 of these things. But this is a different router. If you look at this router, I believe the difference is this router's brushless. I really can't. Maybe you guys can chime in on what the difference is. I don't know. Never held these 2 tools in my hands in my life. So anyway, that's that $129. Moving on, this is more of a comp to that Ryobi $199 kit, which you get the drill, impact driver, flashlight, one-handed reciprocating saw, oscillating tool. Right here, you get the drill, impact driver, oscillating tool, flashlight, and a circular saw for $249 from Ridgid. These are not brushless tools, but they're still more powerful than the brushless Ryobis. Now, will these last longer? For the use that you are using them, probably. And then again, they have the lifetime service agreement on these. So you get them longer service. If they honor it, you're getting a longer, warranty, so to speak. And if you need a circular saw, this is the route I will go. I will go for this kit because of the longevity and also bigger batteries. With the Ryobi, you was getting 2 1.5 amp hour batteries. Here you're getting a 4 amp hour battery and a 2 amp hour battery, charging all that for $249. So I wanted to show you guys those things We're almost done to the real good stuff. Moving on. I just wanted to show you this over at Direct Tools, that they have this pressure washer on sale for $319. Don't fall for this. This is not the one you want. You don't want the one with the GC 190 motor. That's not the one you want. It has like this single stage pump that fails a lot. And the reason why it fails, let me tell you why. Because I didn't know this I had to learn this, that when you turn these on and they're running, water needs to be flowing through this wand. When water's not flowing through this wand, you need to turn it off because the pump is going to overheat. The pump is still going, and the water flowing through is what cools it. So that's why a lot of people have pump failures. But people are saying they've been experiencing other little failures with this thing. This is not totally comparable to what I'm about to show you over on at Home Depot, because they've been selling, I think Home Depot has a GC200. But this is the one you want. Almost a year ago, Direct Tools had a deal on this one, this big monster here with the triple pump that's also serviceable. That's the other thing. This pump here is not serviceable. Once it fails, you gotta replace it. This one is serviceable. It's a serviceable part. And this one also has some technology. According to the manual, mine said that you can leave it on, and you don't have to always have water running through it, which is way more convenient. And it like recirculates water through here to keep the pump cool. So, and I don't know if that's just due to the Honda motor or just the Ryobi's whole setup here, but I've been very happy with my GX. This is a commercial one, and this was like $300 or like $279 at Direct Tools like almost a year ago, or maybe I think it was $319, and this was like $250 or something like that. So if you need a pressure washer, just be patient. Spring for this one. I love mine. Again, it was like $300 at Direct Tools about almost a year ago. So hopefully we'll keep an eye on that and we'll see that. Now, finally, well, let me just show you the deal. All right, so over here at Acme Tools, this is it. This is not a DWS779. It's a DWS780 for $499. But guess what? There's more. If you added the cart, this POTUS promo code is still working. 10% off, $449. But wait, there's even more. We have Rakuten, 2% cash back. And if you're new, use the link in the description to sign up, and you'll get a bonus $30 cash back, bringing this thing down to less than $420. Now, if you've already gotten your cashback bonus from Acme Tools, this is what you do. You go over to Extra Bucks, sign up for that. And when you sign up for that, you'll get a bonus $20 for signing up. And if you've already gotten your bonus from both of them, then fine. You just still use Extra Bucks though, because Extra Bucks is going to give you 3% cash back. Not only that, Extra Bucks has these little games. I've been trying to understand them every day for logging in and doing little things. You get little bonuses. So, like here you go, have a lucky draw. Let's go ahead and redeem it. And it gives you extra stuff sometimes. You can play this game. I think you get one if you log in every day. I don't know. But every time I log in, which is, I don't know, once a week or so, it's always something there. So here we go. Let's go ahead and play. And I got a cashback boost card. I don't even know what that means. Does that mean that's when they say super cashback? That's what that is right there. Super cashback. So instead of 2%, it'll be 3%. So that's what the cashback boost card is. Now we know. All right. Anyway, that's it for today, y'all. Hopefully this was helpful, and I'll see you guys next time.